Hello guys, Creativity Boy is back here. So today I am going to unbox my friend Hot Wheel track set. This is drop down challenge track race, and here we get two cars. So big also, regular size, and unbox it. Friends, unbox it! Quick! Pressure. Yes. Wait guys. So here is this is instruction code of the car, and here is one piece. It's turners, pretty good turners. There's also stickers and flags. This is start launch. This is start. This is also, and this is clips. My god, so much of clips. Oh my god, so much. Wow, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 feet. Nice. And cars, here is the cars. Wait. Open it. Take out. It will. Wait, friends. Here is the two cars we get from track. So let's arrange the track. So here we assemble the track. So long. Let's see who will be the winner. 3, 2, 1. Oh, no one is the winner. Round 2. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes, he is the winner. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
subscribe,
like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.